Me too. What is up, bread gang? What's going on? Man, today is a very special day, very special day. Probably one of the biggest days on the channel, one of the best opportunities I've ever gotten, and that is to film with the one, the only. I mean, it's been a while, he's been on the channel before, but you can maybe tell by the truck behind me that I think you know who it is. So, bow tie behind me as well, as always. But I'm on my way back from North Carolina, and what's halfway between me and Tallahassee and North Carolina? I don't know. I guess you'll have to find out. Let's roll the intro. I'm acting like it's a secret, even though you can see the thumbnail, but I'm super excited to be able to film with the one, the only JW Montoya today. He's inside changeable. We're gonna take a look at his truck. I haven't seen his truck since he's got the 375s on it. So I know I'd done a little montage of it, but I mean, obviously that's a little bit different than being able to see it and talk about it. So I'm gonna have to get him to 100% verify what year it is for me, but let's see. We got, of course, I mean, the one thing you want to look at right off the bat is, you know, the 375s. He used to have the Anthem wheels on it. I believe he got these from Mark, and I absolutely love, I mean, of course, I've got the 375s, and as soon as this thing rolled up, it's just so fat with the 375s. And to be completely honest, this is one of those times where the camera does not do it justice. I mean, on video, it looks, you know, kind of similar to mine stance-wise, but his might even be a little bit wider. I mean, this stance is just absolutely ridiculous. I love it so much. If he does not keep the 375s, I'm going to be a little disappointed. But he's got the, for those of you that don't know his channel, make sure y'all hit him up. His link is going to be in the description below. JW Montoya. I'm sure 90% of you, 99% of you know who he is. But he's got aftermarket taillights. He's got an Edge tune on it, I believe. What are you looking at me over there? Me? He's interrupting my filming over here. I don't have my bread gang shirt on today.
That's fine.
You?
Dude, how do I look? I probably look gross.
You look cute.
Thanks.
You look cute. What is this? I've never seen this before.
What?
This. What is this?
Huh?
I've never seen, what is this contraption here?
Oh, this Cummings? It's coming? It's a Cummings.
Mine's a dump truck.
Oh, it's a dump truck?
Yeah. It drives like it too. Sometimes.
Hey, we got the Hostile gang right now.
Oh, that's right.
I feel long, but Hostile gang, 22 by 12.
I want y'all to blow up his channel and make sure he keeps the 375s, okay? Because I'm going to be really disappointed if he doesn't.
I'm not keeping 375s. As much as I want to, I can't. With the new wheels that I'm getting and the tires.
I told my man JW last time, for those OGs to the channel, OG Bread Gang members, y'all know the famous F350 Dalton. It's still sitting here. It hadn't moved. Look, does it even have the, look at that, beautiful. Look at that interior, still looks brand new.
Yeah, I wasn't able to do a full delete on it yet, so we got all the emission compliance stuff in there. But
so enough of the trivial matters. We're gonna get to what y'all really came to see. One, obviously his truck. Here, real quick. What?
Nothing.
What? Hey, tell me about this, because I'm terrible with years, and I'm terrible. So I know we got 375s and 22 by 14 Hostiles. I got that far. Okay. Just a once over real quick. Most of the people on my channel are gonna know who you are and know about your truck.
All right, so it's a 2011 GMC Sierra Denali HD. It has a DURAMAX engine. Let's see, fun fact, LOY is the first year that they did Denali. So if you see a Denali badge, it's probably an LML DURAMAX.
I didn't know that.
Yep. And yeah, so if you like LMM DURAMAXs don't have Denali, and so it's got a 6.5 BDS lift, but you guys will see in a minute that I'm not gonna stay with BDS for the truck meet.
I see the tune on it. I did see the Cognito up control arms.
Yep.
I'll
show you the hood.
Under the hood? Oh, you do have some. Some goodies.
Some goodies.
Ooh.
I don't have my keys with me right now.
Oh no. Let's go look at the powder coat. We'll come back to that. So the biggest thing I wanted to show you guys about this truck that most of you, even some of the people on his channel, might not have seen yet, is the new lift that's going on the truck. 7 to 9 McGoys, same as the one that I have on my truck currently. He does have the traction bars, which I'm super jealous about. But the biggest part about that is the color. It's been powder coated and it is a beautiful color. We're gonna have to, he's actually gonna let me show it on here. So for some of you that haven't seen it, we're gonna take it out into the sun. Can I just like one piece?
Yeah.
I don't want to take like a whole. This looks good. We're gonna take that one. We're gonna take this one out into the sun. I feel like this gold. So even though I just gave it away, beautiful. Look at that. So the gold. Can I keep it in the sun? There we go. The gold and the black is gonna be absolutely insane. That, oh, I'm so excited for that. Holy, so it's a. Do you know exactly what the name of the color is? Yeah.
I told him I wanted gold, but it has a copperish look.
Goldish copper with some little flake in it. That's beautiful. It really is. That's gonna look really good.
Because I didn't want too gold, but I also didn't want like copper.
Yeah.
Like brown copper.
That's gonna look really good. So he's got is the cross member gold too?
Cross member is just normal black.
Okay, so just some of the brackets and the traction bars and the upper control arms. Beautiful.
But
that's gonna look awesome.
Have to
Ooh.
put the gold powder coat.
Diesel.
Diesel.
Look at that Cummins.
Cummins.
It's a Cummins. It's a diesel.
The diesel Cummins.
I don't know anything about diesel trucks, so that's great one day. It looks like, is that Screaming Diesel Performance?
Yep, SDP.
The only reason I know that name is because you have it on here. I know nothing about them.
Good.
The great thing about this is eventually at some point, I think we decided when I hit 50K, I have to get a DURAMAX. When going on the channel, when I hit 50K, if not before, then I'll have to get a DURAMAX or start the process to get a DURAMAX. But I know nothing about DURAMAXes, not a single thing. Hell, I don't know half the stuff about my own damn truck now. So it'll be great to have a DURAMAX on the channel and be able to just film everything because I know nothing about them. So
hey, I mean, when I got my DURAMAX, I didn't know anything about him either. So as you learn as you go.
This is true. I used to watch his channel when he first, I actually started watching the channel when he got the white truck and he was just starting to do, I think I watched the demolding video of the white truck. Cool. Yeah, I was watching like a long time ago. So I don't remember, I've seen some of the older videos, but I don't remember seeing, you know, any of them as they posted with the 1500. But we've been an OG subscriber, and I've been watching Dalton's for maybe a year or so, year and a half. But I've been watching his for a good bit, way before that wide bow tie was even close to being a thing. I'm gonna go put this down before I mess this up. Couple of cuties that we got back there. Look at this beautiful lineup. I'm really surprised that we both fit in the driveway. Actually, look, you can see him filming right there. Look, there he is, right there. It's a wild JW right there. You see him right there? Oh, look, he ran away. I love the 375s. I really hope he keeps these. These are so beautiful. Huge shout out to JW Montoya, my man behind me, who's filming me while I'm filming him. Filmception. Huge thanks for letting me stop by and film his truck. I had a great time. I love seeing this thing. And please, y'all go spam his page and make sure he keeps the 375s because I love him so much. So
same shirt as the last video.
Hey, he's got the same shirt on too. And I'll probably have the same shirt on in the next video. Wink, wink.
Always.
I love him as always. Y'all have a great day. I love you so much. Let's get this bread.
Yes, sir.